Hi guys! Yung custard apple ko is ready na. Ayun, isa dito guys. At meron pang dito. This one here, sweetheart, is already soft. This one here is already soft. And there's another one soft here too. This one, no? Ooh, the big one, sweetheart.
Ooh, nice.
Soft.
Yum.
This one is soft now. Yeah.
Your first.
You know, so if I will not